New weapons channel. Russia wants to start serial production of the new T-14 Armata tank this year, and state testing of a new ammunition kit for the tank has also begun. The T-14 is the first Russian tank prepared for network-centric warfare. Fire control and other functions are automated, and the crew is in an isolated armored capsule. The tank weighs about 55 tons. Maximum speed on the highway can reach 80 kilometers per hour. The range is 500 kilometers. The Armata is one of the projects of the early 21st century that Russia has brought to fruition despite funding problems. Work on the tank began in 2010, replacing the curtailed Obiekt 195 program. It goes without saying that all the developments on it were transferred to the new vehicle. Armata's standard gun is a 125mm smoothbore gun with automatic loading and 45 rounds ammunition. In addition, the gun can fire laser-guided missiles. There is a possibility of installing a more powerful 152mm cannon 2A83. With it, the T-14 will become a real tank fighter. The vehicle has a low silhouette, making detection and defeat difficult. The three-person crew is in the front of the vehicle, in an armor pod isolated from the ammunition. Its multi-layer composite armor is capable of withstanding a hit from any existing anti-tank ammunition, whether sub-caliber or shaped charge. The T-14 is protected by an active protection system in the forward hemisphere that shoots down threats on approach. The stern is protected by grids against grenades and shaped missiles. The problem of tank crews with limited visibility was solved by placing wide-angle video cameras around the perimeter of the tank. With their help, the crew can see everything that is going on around them. For battle control, the commander and gunner have panoramic sights with thermal imaging and laser rangefinder. They can be used not only to hit targets themselves, but also to illuminate them for other tanks, as well as aircraft and anti-tank missile systems. The military pays little attention to comfort, but the designers of the T-14 have thought about it as well. The tank even has a toilet, so that the crew doesn't have to leave the vehicle for physiological reasons. Everything about the U.S. Air Force's promising B-21 Raider stealth bomber can be seen at the link. See you on the channel.